So here's how you can change your text font on the iPad. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it all comes down to what exactly you want to do with it. Like, for example, if you mean just the text messages, and if you want to like change the font for that, well, in that case, you can literally just set up a font keyboard, right? You can look that up within the App Store, and this is an application which is going to let you type in a different font, right? So for example, you would go to the messages, use that new keyboard for the fonts, and you'll be able to send something in a different font if you really wanted to do it. But it's not the most practical thing ever, so yeah, it kind of depends, but the option is most definitely there. But then you can also change the font in some specific things, like you, for example, use the Apple Pages software to create some projects, right? You can also just do the Photoshop or whatever, and you will then have the ability to change the font there for your like creative projects and whatnot. But the thing that I wanted to point out and say is that we cannot really change the font of like the iPadOS settings and the general UI. We can only either change it for the typed text within your projects, like as I said in Photoshop or whatever, but also in here there are also these like font keyboards. But other than that, we don't really have much more available, right? So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.